Let's not complicate things. Not even thunderstorm can damp your ratings. I'm the friend with benefits. You can count on me. Yeah, man, I don't know what Dario this thing. I represent the SWAT team. You see me? Dr. Love, Pretty Girl Star. Fret them, big up on the damn self. Whole heap of style I do, whole heap of style I try. Gyal drop it on the ground and some quinty like gyal sit down. SWAT team, Dario I represent. You hear that? Man, up front.
Manifest that won't manifest. Sorry, Father God, apologize. Remove that. I'm sorry. I did not say that because I don't have any problems. Sorry, shouldn't say that. I'm not trying to manifest no bullshit. But yeah, I sit in my own lane. I'm doing what I need to do. You understand? And when I have too much, I have enough. So nobody don't who I talk to that's close. Just like me tell. Also look a while. It's gonna look like me. I give problem. But don't tell me it's too much. It's if it stop now. What you mean time for stop now? Time for them fucking stop for me to stop. Fuck. Then alright then. You're upset, so I hear certain things. You, Mr. Cuddy. You're upset, so I hear certain things. Why you not stop talk about me so I hear, so I not have to say nothing? Stop talk about me now. Stop saying things about me when I go so now, and then if I not hear nothing, I won't say anything. You're not the man for me, so I got blood clot talk out of my mouth. And I you see when I talk to the people that chat me. So any of them they on my live and the whole of them are watch me right now. I him attack so who not chat me. I him I bring everything where who not talk, go tell people so me a ear back. Only just leave me alone. That's all me I say. I don't want to be nasty. I don't have to want to say things that I don't want to say. I don't want to put things in the atmosphere because that is not what I'm trying to give off. It's not cute. I don't want to have to defend myself with people that I once care about. Because I'm not gonna lie, I don't like nobody now. I don't care. Once you're gonna drag down me and my kids, you don't know nothing, and you automatically gonna drag me and my kids. The things that people have seen me gone through with this man with their own eyes and see what he's done, how he's been towards my kid, and the fact that they can talk certain things, it's crazy because two of them get catch out and chat me and them shame, so everybody have to play mighty. But you can't use might and beat right. You can never use might and beat right. Me no want an apology. But guess what? If you're wrong about something. And that's just it, period. That's it. But guess what? I don't want to be mighty because I'm salty, I want to do shit, I want to chat me, I'm find out, I'm back away, and that's just it. I don't want to have me up in an not really business. None of them feed me and clothe me. Who wants them to like me, not like on sir. Remember say I'm me faced. Remember say me faced too. I'm gonna take chat from girl and a girl can't chat to me a certain way. And me and a blood clot clean up girl for no girl. Me and a bad girl for no girl. The girl can't chat to me and this me a certain way. I'm gonna whoop my mind out. I'm gonna take blood clot disrespect. So right there. And I say it go. How it go? The more Cuddy come and sit down in a shop and talk about me, and the more him go out and go talk what Uno say, and what him say, and how it go, me go talk, and me go push my button, and me go talk. And I might not business, me not care for the business, but just like how I talk my business, me go just talk for the business them. Simple as. Cause me just feel like it's eye for an eye. It's eye for an eye. It's just bloody eye for an eye. Why is people allowed to drag me and try to make issues in my life with me and my kids when all I've done is try to have, put myself in a comfortable spot. Try to be calm. Try to do what I'm doing. Try to push love. I use love B8. I try to push love so much. I try to give people love, and you know what? Me respectful bad. But you see, once my sister, you feel like you can't go like you feel like you're a mama. You can't bad me up. You can't feel like me not kiss ass. And me and one girl afraid to stand up on my own. Remember say anywhere I go, people go. I said go. Anywhere I go, I said people go. Oh, remember. So me and Munchie bless. Right. Listen, me know what you tell me is out of love, as I tell also, because we just tell her the same thing. Because you guys are my friend. You guys, I talk to you guys. So it's gonna be like, oh, stop talking on Munchie man too much. Like, I've been going through shit. And I've been holding this shit. From last year. Yeah? From last year, I've been holding shit. And I shut my mouth. I take disrespect and this one say that and that one say this and I just make them laugh and make them think what them a think and this one go to that friend and tell that friend this and like them a disrespect me and undermine me like I mean one friend. Me no want friend from none of blood clot uno. None of uno. None of uno me no want a friend from. Just like how me no want Cuddy, me no want none of uno. Because all you know, I bring drama and go like on a perfect on who's full of baga and passa. One friend I tell me no chat to the friend because the friend they mix up. But the friend there go to the friend and I tell the friend they say, them not gonna work because me there. Fuck! How can look how the whole group mix up and fuck a baga. What's not gonna like on a prim and proper on a simadi? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here with this bullshit now, man. Come on, man. You guys can't be wanting to be speaking about people but not living what one is speaking. But want to be disrespecting and be down in people's bad life and be down in people's neck. Now, when I sit down and talk and I want to tell her one day, but me, I got sit down Pam in my bed, well comfortable. I got sit down around my table with a bottle of wine and some shot of rum and just sort it out. And then mine's will reach farther than look. Me, I have 100 people right now. I know it can reach more than 100 people. How much people only think for the story reach? My story reach whole heap of people by far by now. So how much people for the story I can reach? Me I go reach a story so I can come to I mean not toe to toe wouldn't cause me not at to or nothing. So me I just talk on a story. Count just too much, man. We don't allow people to be nice and just be loving and just lad, I'm getting some good dick. Leave me alone. Me fuck alone. I'm sure you guys saw me before we stopped coming around. How smiley I was, how I was running out the place and gone back my business to take good dick. I'm getting some good dick, I'm getting some good care, I'm getting, I'm chilling. Fucking chill, man. Fuck out of here with all that. If I roll, I roll. I know, sis. Oh, we're going out weekend. I forgot to call y'all. But I tell you, you're so loving and so sweet.